Your engine air filters are essential to protecting your engine. Let's go through some of the steps for cleaning the housing and replacing the filter elements. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. We're working on a 335, but you can expect the process to be similar on your equipment. For best results, never clean the filter elements and only remove them when replacing them. Most CAT equipment has a built-in indicator to signal when the primary element needs changing. And the general rule is to replace the secondary element every third change of the primary. But you may need to change it more often, depending on your application. Before getting started, make sure the engine is off and that components have cooled. Squeeze the ejector port and make sure it's still flexible. If it's not opening and closing properly, replace it. Clean around the housing so that when you remove the cover, you're not letting in more dirt. Remove the pre-cleaner cover, gently shake out any debris, and then clean it with water or compressed air. Increase ventilation by doing this outside, but always wear a respirator and other PPE to protect you too. Now, take out the primary element and wipe the housing with a clean cloth. Always clean from back to front to move dirt away from the engine. If it's time to change the secondary element, carefully remove it. Do not wipe around the housing at this point because you could push dirt toward the engine. Look into the inlet tube for any debris or blockage and wipe it out with a clean cloth if needed. Inspect your new filters to make sure they're in good condition and check the seals inside the housing too. If they're damaged, more dirt could get through, putting the engine at greater risk of contamination. Put in the new secondary filter, the new primary filter, and the clean cover. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.